In the heart of Porto Alegre, Brazil, where the minuano wind whispers through the streets and the waters of the canal gently lap against the shore, lies a remarkable residence that pays homage to nature's wonders. This is Casa da Figueira, a harmonious blend of modern architecture and rustic charm, where the presence of a majestic fig tree takes center stage. The project's story begins with the fig tree, an existing presence on the land, revered for its strength and beauty. The architects, with a deep respect for nature's design, carefully curated the house around the tree, ensuring its integrity and allowing it to flourish amidst the modern structure. The main facade is a symphony of contrasts, where the rigidity of concrete harmonizes with the living presence of the fig tree and the imposing presence of a large rock, a tribute to the region's rugged landscape. This interplay of elements creates a visual dialogue between nature and architecture, each element complementing the other. In contrast to the robust upper block, the ground floor features a spacious open area, allowing for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Large windows provide ample transparency, inviting the serene beauty of the canal into the home. This connection to nature enhances the sense of tranquility and well-being within the house. The minuano, a southerly wind known for its chilly temperatures, is deflected by the house's frontal facade, ensuring thermal comfort within the home. Conversely, the gentle northern breeze is welcomed, providing natural ventilation throughout the interior spaces. To further enhance thermal comfort and air quality, motorized skylights are strategically placed throughout the house. These skylights not only illuminate the interior but also serve as exhaust vents, drawing out hot air during summer and reducing the overall temperature range. The concrete block of the upper level houses the intimate living spaces, all oriented towards the north to capture the most favorable sunlight and offer stunning views of the canal. This private retreat provides a tranquil sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. On the lower level, a longitudinal volume clad in corten steel and glass extends the social areas towards the canal, the focal point of the property. This open-plan design seamlessly integrates the interior with the exterior, blurring the boundaries between home and nature. Crowning the house, a rooftop terrace seamlessly extends the living spaces, providing an intimate family haven for relaxation and stargazing. The terrace's wood decking complements the natural surroundings, while the surrounding views of the Porto Alegre skyline add a touch of urban charm. The house is a symphony of materials and textures, where the raw beauty of natural elements like stone and wood enter.